Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually just getting ready for work and I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. Today I'm going to go for something a little softer, not beach waves. I'm just going to do like a nice soft glam look. If you're like me and you have curly textured hair, you probably have to go in and straighten those little baby hairs down, which is what I did with my GHD straightener before I'm going to curl. Now I'm just going to section out my hair and do some nice like body waves and then get ready for my day. I'm also wearing this really cute green checkered dress that my friend Kelly gave me, so shout out to Kelly. This is from Nectar Clothing. They have a store in Irvine and check out their Instagram. I'm also wearing some Gorjana jewelry. This one's my little love ring, which literally freaking love. It has like a heart on the side. It's so cute. Wearing that today. And I have these like white cowboy boots on. You can't see them, but yeah. Here we go. Gonna get started. Today, I'm going to use my other tried and true favorite, which is Fabulous Pro 1 1/4 inch barrel. I do have second day hair, so I did prep my hair with Kevin Murphy dry shampoo first, which is called Fresh Hair. And that honestly doesn't leave a residue. It's really lightweight, so that's why I always like go back to Kevin Murphy. And I'm just gonna finish off my style with Kevin Murphy Do Over Hairspray. This stuff smells really, really good. It's a dry powder base, so it actually like refreshes your hair. I'll also finish it with Kevin Murphy Young Again oil. So what I'll do is start in the front and I actually go up to the base and curl all the way through my ends. So this is a shorter piece, I'll just isolate it by itself, but I start at the very top, curling away from my face, and I'm grabbing all the way through the ends, and I'm just gonna keep it softer like this. And I don't mind pulling down on it a little bit because I don't want it to be like really, really tight. So if you pull down on the curl while it's hot, it'll loosen it up. But basically, if you ever wanna like set your hair and make sure it holds even longer all day long, pin it while it's still warm, and that's what sets your hair. That is hairstyling 101. I did that a lot when I was doing bridal hair. I just got these new extensions. They're 22-inch length in a couple different colors. I know I have like Cocachino in there. I also have Hot Toddy. These are all colors from Covey Hair, which is the salon I work at, which I absolutely love. I use it on a lot of my clients. They're 22-inch length. I haven't washed them yet, but for anybody that doesn't know, if you have hair extensions and you get them installed the first day, they're actually going to be more like pressed out of the, like when they're fresh out of the packaging, like really soft, really, really like straight when you get them installed. But once you wash your hair for the first time, they're gonna marry into your hair even more and like fluff up. I'm just curling all the way through my ends, pulling down on those curls while they're hot. And there's a nice little barrel curl. So now I'm gonna work my way into the front, slightly curve it. I just want it to like flow nicely. It kind of give me a little swoop there. So while it's hot, I'm just kind of like directing it away. I'm going to use this oil by Kevin Murphy. I just want to run it through my ends just to soften it. I'm going to take a little bit of my Kevin Murphy spray it everywhere. It's called Do Over. Last thing I'll do is take my brush and I go through sections of my hair, back comb underneath, and give it volume. So you can see it already like enhances that curl and the body of my hair. Same thing, just go underneath, back comb with your brush. Just slightly doing that, and if you feel like it gets a little teased looking, like too much, you just brush over the top really lightly. There you have it. This is how I did my hair with my new 22-inch length hair extensions. I love them. They're so beautiful. Thank you, Courtney. I work with her at Tease. She did an amazing job. She just did a 2-row install with 4 packs of hair from Covey, and it gave me this length and color effect. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and be sure to like and subscribe for more hair tutorials and even like behind the scenes in the salon. That's like one of my favorite things to do. In this video I used like all Kevin Murphy products, and then I also used this iron